New extension Crane Tool. Crane Tool has a support to add tower cranes, mobile and crawler cranes. It can perform a lift checking including weight, range and elevation to its final location but also from its pickup point. It has inbuilt erection duration calculation and static simulation for each lift from its final location. Now reduce costs and risks from erection phase by utilizing this tool for erection planning. Now here is the tool in action. First, I'm adding a new tower crane to the model. I can edit its properties, including the type of the crane and the base lengths, and also crane capacity chart, lifting speed, and I can replace the object with the actual 3D objects with components. Tool can color the model based on the cranes and the lifting capacities. And as you can see, everything is dynamically calculated when I move, for example, the crane location. And when I select a certain element from the list, I can simulate that individual lift. Please notice that as Trimble, we don't want to take the responsibility of giving the actual crane manufacturer data, but please contact your local crane suppliers and ask them to cooperate with us. Tekla Warehouse is a great platform for them to distribute the crane information that you can then utilize for your actions.